If there's one thing we can't get enough of in Florida, it's screened-in enclosures. Today we're going to be taking a look at this screen tent from VEVOR. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, pop it up for you, disassemble it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have the poles, the actual tent, the instructions, and stakes. It also comes with a nice branded carry bag that has handles. Now I'm going to show you exactly how this popped up in real time. I will not time lapse this or speed it up because it is that quick. If you've ever used one of those privacy tents at the beach or at the park, it essentially works just like one of those. I purposely assembled this by myself so that I could see if I could reasonably do it if I was alone and wanted to go to the beach. And what I discovered was in less than 45 seconds, I absolutely could do it. Once you have it popped open, you do need to add the 2 poles to the roof. These were also incredibly easy to put on. They're held on with Velcro and 4 little pockets that are reinforced on each corner. There's also a tie in the center, but I couldn't quite reach that, so I had my husband help with that part. Again, all of this is happening in real time, so I'm about a minute into the assembly process at this point. A minute. Let that sink in. This tent is the perfect size for a backyard picnic or barbecue. You could put the food in here so that it keeps the flies away, or you could sit here with your significant other and just enjoy a drink one night so that you don't get bit by mosquitoes. It's so easy to put up and tear down, which I'll show you in a minute, that I can't believe everyone doesn't have one of these in the back seat of their car. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to install the stakes because we're just going to tear it down so you can see how easy it is to tear it down. But I can't imagine that would add more than 20 or 30 seconds onto the total setup time. And just like that, we have a completed pop-up screen enclosure. Overall, I'm really pleased with how easy this was to pop up and put together. I think it'll be just as easy to tear it down and put it back in the bag. It does have these really nice, very bright, so you don't trip over them, tie downs, and it comes with stakes. It does have one screen door. The other screens are not able to be opened, but this screen door is able to be opened all the way, and you can leave it open just by buckling these at the top. I am just a little bit too short to tie that down, but I think my handy husband can reach it. It also has a little hook for a nightlight.
Well, cheers. Cheers to the pop-up tent life.
Yeah.
I like it, I really do.
You could easily bring this with you to the beach, to the springs, to the park, pretty much anywhere. Because it's so easy to carry, it folds up really thin, and you can pop it in your trunk. Or
Lightweight.
I really like it, like a lot. I really, really like it, a lot. It's like one of those privacy rooms, but without the privacy, and it's that easy to set up.
2 chairs, a table, and possibly even a cooler if you want to not get up a lot, you know? A lot of different uses. I like that. Boy, I sure wish there was something that we could set in that'd keep the mosquitoes away. Bye-bye, mosquitoes, bugs, bees. Oh yeah, zip-tastic.
Okay, let's see how easy this is to disassemble, starting with the poles at the top. This one I'm also going to leave in real time, especially the folding part. While we do this, I will leave you to listen to the relaxing sound of the waterfall. That's also a VEVOR product. Essentially, you simply fold it in half and then curl the two ends on top of each other, and it will form that circle again perfectly, just like that, and you can put it in the bag. This did take a little bit of a learning curve in order to figure out, but once we figured it out, it worked perfectly. Then you just put it back in the bag and it's ready to go for the next time.